I thought you were supposed to help us plant the stuff, boy. You come over here to help us with the thing. Huh? Isn't that what you're supposed to be doing? Help us with the thing, yo. Boy, the cicada them loud. The cicada them loud, yo, fuck. Like a siren. I make a lot of noise in that place, the blood club. The noise, yo, fuck. Yo, go get some corn and put some corn in that crap, man. In that thing, man, yo. Take him out my feet. You know, some people wouldn't do this. Some people wouldn't do this, you know? Hold the cicada in their hand like this. They don't have to. Yeah, but yeah, exactly. They say it are scientifically proven that the cicada bugs only come out every 17 years. But many people in the Caribbean can tell you that's not true. Because if it's true, it's only for America. Because when I was in Jamaica, these cicada bugs come out all the time. Almost every year, I see this cicada bug. So, that 17-year stuff, I was even 17 years old when I first saw cicada. So, and I've seen them several times after that. So if it was at 17 years, they come out, that wouldn't be true. Could not be true. It must be only in these parts. Cicada bug come out every day in Jamaica. Every year. You know we used to call them? We used to call them May bug. Yeah. We used to call them May bug in Jamaica. Many Jamaican people know them as May bug. We never really call them cicadas. We call them, I know that they call cicadas. I call them May bugs. Because they normally come out in May. And right now it's May. Every May in the year, these bugs come out in Jamaica. Not just every 17 years like what they say over here. And since I've been here, I have seen these bugs here already. It's not the first time I saw them here. So I don't believe every 17 years true. You see many people in this country, Quincy. Many people in this country don't really like to be outdoor. Like what we are doing right now, putting our hands in the dirt, getting our hands dirty. Many people don't want to do this. So how they would know about the bugs?
I'm not coming outside.
If you are not in the garden or in the farm or anything like that, how would you know about bugs?
Exactly.
If you see a little mosquito and start to run. Man, there's a lot. Hear the noise in the tree, guys. Just listen to the sounds of the cicada. It's like a factory running back here of cicada bugs. Look at them flying all over the place. Yep. Okay, so we mold the carrot roots. Try to make sure they stay up. And the lettuce. Now also clean out the bed as well. I have to make it look presentable. Question: do you worry about selecting your chicken, whether they are organic or they are conventional chicken? Let me know in the comment section. So let me ask you a question. If you put fertilizer upon them, they no longer consider organic. If you put fertilizer upon them, they no longer consider organic.
Yeah, they are.
Because the fertilizer helps to boost them.
Yeah.
Right, so you couldn't consider organic. But many people in this country sell organic stuff. But they fertilize them. Yeah. And they're not letting the consumer know that these things are being fertilized.
Yeah, they're not gonna make you know that.
And you go into the store and supermarket, you're buying your vegetables, and you are saying, hey, I'm getting some organic over here. But in reality,
it's not organic.
It's not organic because they put fertilizer and other things on them.
Think about it, if them say fertilizer, they now get the amount of seal, don't forget.
Right.
Is that what I say?
Right. So
people look, oh, they're just regular, they're not organic.
Right,
So
right,
people have to write organic on the product so people can buy, oh, I want some organic plants.
right.
I want some organic vegetables. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's all about a marketing strategy.
Yeah, it's all about marketing.
Yes, to sell it.
If you go to if you bring this, like you bring some goods go to the store and you say, all right, you just regular, like no organic, and you have some with organic. People are gonna go to the organic. People who want organic don't go.
Right.
Go to the organic part.
Yeah.
But if you check it out in real life, it's not organic.
Exactly. Because it's trickery.
Yeah, it's not organic.
It's trickery and a market sales.
Hey, some they're going and say all this chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And you see them are organic on the product.
Yeah.
It's not organic, but them just do it and sell it for more money.
Exactly.
It's all about making money.
Exactly. Because because what happened is when you see an organic chicken on the shelf, you yourself don't know how that chicken was raised.
You don't know.
All you're doing is buying something.
Unless if you raise it yourself.
Exactly. There you go.
Yeah,
you can only be sure of organic if you the one who raised it, and you can testify that this chicken did not get in any kind of modification food.
I'm gonna go bring him goods, go to the store and say, oh, you know, this is all right. This is not organic.
Right.
You know, people not gonna want it. People looking for organic food.
Right.
You know, so I'm gonna put when they fully fertilize or whatever, what they put in it.
Right.
They go put organic on the same way.
Cause that's how they make their money.
That's how they make their money.
Yeah, you're right.
If you know, organic chicken costs like probably $15, $16. You look at organic, you look at chicken.
Right.
And the regular chicken is just like probably $5.
Right.
So you see difference.
Yeah, exactly. It's a lot of money.
You see difference.
Yep. It's all about a marketing strategy.
It's all about the marketing.
Yeah, you're right, man. You're right. The only good organic you can really get is the one that you can know for sure that come from a farm, that you know the farm, or you know the person who grow them.
Just like the animals them nowadays, like you're going to the store, see this big the animal them like them say organic. It's not organic. You know, those animals are where them put injection and all type of stuff.
You're right. And one more thing you can use.
Look, the world is overpopulated now, right?
Right.
So you think I'm gonna go raise a cow or a goat or some chicken and just grow them the organic? They're not gonna go that fast.
Yeah, exactly. So supply and demand.
Yeah, supply. They're not gonna go that
You're not gonna get enough to supply the customer.
See it?
So when
just like a cow or a goat now. I'm not really wait for a goat or a cow again like back in the days. I'm gonna put out a cow and wait 9 months, or I'm gonna put out a goat and wait like 6 months before the goat. That's not again.
Right.
You know.
So they might feed them for some.
Things going fast now.
Right.
God, the world is overpopulated, so you have to keep up
with the demands.
Yeah, with the demands to feed. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're right.
Look, I know me see I'll have like pigs. I have all 50 like.
We call it piglets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in a space of like couple months.
They're ready for kill. Slaughter.
Just like the chicken them.
You're right.
I'm gonna have some white chicken. And just in a space a couple weeks. The chicken them big like this.
Yeah.
Ready for kill.
You must see the chicken without the feathers.
Yeah.
So some chicken they put some GMO food modification on these chickens.
And that's you see all these people nowadays with all this big stomach and
belly,
overweight and all
belly fat and all that stuff. Yeah.
What you feel to cause those things?
The GMO.
Yeah.
The genetic modified food.
That's why them blow up.
Yeah.
Them blow up so big. And put on so much big because people now, if you know what you see now, people now, everybody now this fast thing. Fast food.
Drive through and all them stuff, yeah.
Going on. People not time to cook again.
And exactly, and people don't want to stay home and cook their own food. They rather their food cook for them.
Exactly.
So they go into the restaurant to eat out.
Yeah, everything that's fast.
And when they eat at the restaurant supplies come from the GMO modification.
You go into the gym now, you go into the gym so you want to lose weight. At the end of the day, you're not eating the right stuff to lose weight. You keep on working so you want to lose weight, but at the end of the day, you're still eating but the same
food. Right.
So how you going to lose weight?
Yeah.
You're going to lose weight.
So in this situation, you are losing weight in the gym, but you are gaining it back with the food you are eating.
If I check it out, you lose weight, but you gain more weight.
Exactly.
When I come out of the gym. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, because you're still eating the same food.
The same thing over and over and over
yeah.
and over. You get what I'm saying?
Right.
And that's me not really mess with those
type of food, yeah.
Things. That's why I always try to minimize my things. Like I try to look after my own things.
Food, right.
You see me? I'm not really go to this Papaya and this McDonald's and this
KFC and places like, yeah.
I don't eat them enough. But I don't eat them, I don't mess with them like that.
Yeah, right. You know, because some people, because the other day I was, one of my subscribers, she was saying, I know you cook your own food because I saw you cooking all the time, but I saw you at McDonald's one time. This a lady told me a few days ago.
Yeah.
She said, I saw you at McDonald's to the drive-thru. So how are you cooking food and you're going to McDonald's drive-thru? And I have to explain to her, I don't really eat McDonald's. But there are times when you may be in the street and you can't get to cook something.
Exactly. It's not like you don't go to this fast
right.
place,
but you don't go there every day.
You're not going there every day.
Exactly.
That's your regular routine.
Right. And
like,
that
as I wake up, I'm going to grab some
McDonald's. Yep.
You know, lunchtime come, I'm going to grab some
McDonald's.
That's
right. Exactly. So the more of this consumption that you have in your body is when the problem started. But if you go to McDonald's like one time every 3 months or something, that ain't gonna hurt you.
Yeah, exactly.
But I'm talking about the people, like you said, the people who go there almost every day. Because it's convenient for them. Yeah.
You see how some people have the weight and them worrying about if there's the one causing themselves, they're not feeding them body the right way or them supposed to feed it.
Right.
You get what I'm saying?
And even if when you put up a video and say, hey, try this drink or this recipe to lose weight, some people ask you, because I've one of my subscribers asked me, how long does it take for it to work? But in order for anything to work, whether it's a drink that I put up for my research for losing weight, any type of supplement you use to lose weight, if you don't change that eating habit of eating this GMO modified food and this fast food, if you taking this supplement and these drinks, and every day we find you with all these shakes, these milkshakes. You see what I'm saying? You're not going to lose the weight because you're going to lose it with the drink and you're going to gain it back because you're having this propensity to continue to eat the same food.
Exactly. You got to commit yourself certain things are going to stop it. Like if you have the weight you want to try to lose it, you just commit yourself like, hey, I'm going to stop eat this. I'm not going to eat that no more. I'm going to stick to this. I'm going to stick to this diet. You get to actually for last the weight.
Right.
That's what I'm saying.
Because it's all about the sacrifice.
Yeah, the sacrifice.
Yeah, it's all about the sacrifice. Definitely. If you want to see true results, you got to sacrifice.
Exactly.
You got to cut back on the type of food that you're eating.
Exactly.
You see what I'm saying? And also...
Sometimes a person say, oh, I want to lose the weight. And then you're driving up the street. And I look at, oh, there's Popeye. Let's go to Popeye.
Let's get something real quick over here. Right. Sometimes you got to bear the hungry. Bear the hungry until you can get home and prepare your meal the proper way.
Exactly.
You see what I'm saying? Don't just stop at every fast food because it's convenient and it's easy for you to grab something to eat, grab a snack. Because you see the habit of doing that is going to cause damage. You understand?
You got to come with yourself. But the thing about it, you don't eat it. And you're planning something, you don't eat it.
I'm here talking with Quincy and he make a valid point a while ago. When I was younger and growing up, I used to see some people with a lot of orange on their property, a lot of ripe bananas and stuff, and they would rather the bananas and the orange and the mangoes stay on the tree and ripe and rotten and fall to the ground, and before they cut some or tell some of the neighbors to go ahead and have some. Some people don't give away anything, you know what I mean? And
probably some poor people live in a community where they could you have breadfruit, you have orange and them those things, and they keep falling off of the tree and spoil. They could have said, hey, I got some breadfruit. Yeah, you can pick some of those breadfruit or some of those orange.
Right.
You can make a money.
Exactly.
But them where they stay up on the tree and
that's totally selfish, man.
Yeah, that's
totally selfish.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I know some people, in the Caribbean, they would do some farming if they have the land.
I remember one time I asked a guy, he have a lot of orange tree in his yard and breadfruit tree. And I asked the guy, hey, why you don't give away the guy said no, it's like them fertilize, them fall, fertilize the land.
You hear that, guys? That man rather the food fall off the tree and fall to the ground and bring fertilizer to the soil than give it away to the neighbors. No, that's true selfishness, man.
Exactly.
True selfishness. You should help the poor people whenever you can. You're farming stuff, you're planting stuff, you got the land, you got the property. Just give away this. Give away whatever you don't need
Yo, them,
to the poor, man. Let the poor eat something. You know what I mean?
them would have
God will bless you. You will get blessings for what you do to people. Don't be selfish. You know, your family don't need it because you have it in abundant. Just give it away to the neighbors or people who need it.
Yo, some people don't stay like that, bro. They rather see the things. They rather see the things stay there and spoil more and give it to somebody
Exactly.
who need it.
And that is so unfair, man.